Hubstaff presents the 7 best employee GPS tracking apps. For any business that involves travel or transit, the ability to track your employees' location as they move between client sites is crucial, because you need to know where your people are so you can properly dispatch team members and get your work done as efficiently as possible. While in the past this was no easy feat, in 2019 there are amazing employee GPS tracking apps. The number one app we recommend is the Hubstaff GPS tracking app. It offers accurate GPS location services for organizations of all sizes and goes beyond just monitoring. It provides a powerful management tool for mobile fleets, sales teams, and remote companies. Hubstaff automatic reporting, payroll integrations, and productivity monitoring make it an all-in-one business tool. The free iOS and Android apps allow you to monitor time spent in transit versus time spent at a job or client site, allowing you to better staff and forecast your business. To make things even easier, you can add job sites and locations in Hubstaff where time tracking will automatically stop and start as a team member enters or leaves the location. This geofencing feature makes tracking even easier for your team as they don't have to remember to stop and start the clock. You can set up automatic reminders for your team, schedule shift, and receive alerts if time tracking hasn't started on time. Hubstaff integrates with over 30 other business software, including QuickBooks, Salesforce, TransferWise, and more. With pricing starting at only $10 a user per month, Hubstaff allows you to save time, track better, and run your business from any device. Number 2 on our list is Timesheet Mobile, which allows you to track employee work time and locations from anywhere. Real-time syncing with the employer portal means you can always get an idea of where your employees are at any particular moment. Your workers can conveniently punch in and out with a quick tap when arriving at or departing from a worksite. It even captures mileage for expense reports. Timesheet is available on iOS and Android. Pricing starts at $14.99 for a company subscription and $3.49 per employee for unlimited punching in and out of locations. In third place, LaborSync is a multilingual, cloud-based app that allows you to track your workforce from anywhere. You're able to see which job sites your crew is at, where they are, when they clock in and out, and an interactive map to monitor their workday. LaborSync eliminates the need for paper timesheets with automatic reports that can be customized and filtered by employee, job, and time frame. You can see exactly how much time is being spent on any particular project. LaborSync's batch entry system means not all of your employees even need a smartphone. Multiple employees can be tracked using one device. The messaging feature allows you to notify employees of meetings or schedule changes. Pricing starts at $10 per user per month and is available on both iOS and Android. Hours Tracker is a location tracking app that offers easy entry and editing to make time tracking painless. It has automatic overtime, location awareness, tags, filters, and expected time reached alerts. Groups your entries by day, week, or months, so you can easily see how you spend your time week to week or across jobs. You can choose to receive notifications when someone arrives at or leaves the area. You can view your jobs by distance to save time. Hours Tracker can also alert users when it's time to leave. Set an expected number of hours per day and the app will alert you as you approach those hours. Hours Tracker is free to download and $9.99 for the Pro Edition, and it's available on both iOS and Android. If you're looking for the flexibility of mobile time tracking with the accountability of your in-office employees, then T-Sheets is a great option for you. It offers an intuitive experience when clocking in and out, changing job codes, and performing other time tracking and management actions on the go. Its background synchronization technology and enhanced GPS functionality are optimized so that T-Sheets won't drain your battery. Plus, the app continuously syncs so you never have to worry about losing data if your connection cuts out. T-Sheets can also generate a convenient map of activities for the day to provide a visualization of where a user has been. Pricing starts at $5 per user per month, plus a $20 base fee for up to 99 users. T-Sheets is available on Android and iOS. Number 6 on our list, Timer tracks your working time and project time on the go. Your remote workers can begin tracking their time even when on the move by simply pushing a button. While Timer's web application focuses on time tracking, their mobile apps can handle GPS tracking as well. The web and mobile apps continuously sync automatically so users always work with the same data. Compared to other apps listed here, Timer is more lightweight and lacks some of the business-focused features. Their pricing starts at €8 per user per month and is available on iOS and Android. Last but not least, Glio provides efficient time tracking with location monitoring services. The user interface is optimized for devices with touchscreens so users can jump from one page to another easily. It makes time tracking easy and simplifies reports, which are so easy to access and review that you can check them out even when you're on the move. You can expect reports via email or Bluetooth. Glio allows unlimited projects and unlimited tasks within projects, along with an animated timeline that shows what a user is doing. Glio starts at $2.50 per month per user, but note that Glio is only available on Android, not iOS. If you would like to try out the #1 app on this list, the Hubstaff GPS tracking app, go to hubstaff.com and sign up for your free trial today.